Hey guys, welcome to Betty Lou Papery. I'm Valerie Freeman and I'm going to give you a little virtual tour of the website and show you how to view pricing as well as how you can order your invitations and other things like details cards or wax seals and embellishments. Okay, so right from the home page, as you can see, you can explore more about Betty Lou Papery on the About page. The Experience page is actually going to give you a lot of details about my process. Basically, my goal is to make things super easy for you. So literally my process is that you pick the design you want. I personalize everything for you. It's printed and shipped and delivered directly to your door. And then you're also going to find out a little bit more about the particulars when it comes to your paper. That includes things like digital printing, letterpress, and foil printing, cardstock and paperweight, paper color, and then envelopes and liners. I offer address printing. I offer white ink address printing for dark colored envelopes. So like if you order black envelopes or navy envelopes or burgundy, all of those can be printed in white ink. And then also I have a beautiful selection, of course I'm biased, but a beautiful selection of envelope liners that can also be added to your wedding invitation envelopes or your save the date envelopes or also your thank you card envelopes. And then you can also explore the ink selection here as well. And you can also view some of our most popular wedding invitation embellishments on this page, things like wedding details cards, wax seals, and vellum wraps. And then you can also order a sample kit from this page as well. So the next thing is the info page. Here you're going to find out a little bit more about the types of things that I offer. So I offer save the dates, wedding invitations, and wedding day stationery like programs, place cards, menus, things like that. And then you'll also find the FAQs on this page, which is going to be super helpful, especially for those of you who are new to ordering invitations from Betty Lou Papery. But this is going to answer all of your most common questions. And now for the fun part, let's head on over to the shop page. There are several different ways that you can shop Betty Lou Papery. The first is that you can shop by collection. And because I definitely love when my clients order cohesive wedding invitation suites from invitations to programs. I love it when everything matches at your wedding. I prefer that clients shop by collection because it's just so much easier. You don't have to sort through anything that you don't need or, look at other options. But the collection page is also a really great way for you to explore all of the collections that I am currently offering. So you can just scroll through this page and look through all of the collections. And then when you get to one that you like, you just click on that. And all of the coordinating pieces will show up, and you can actually shop directly from this page as well. It's just going to make things so much easier for you, especially if you're ordering day of stationery and you want to order your programs, your menus, you want everything to match. It's all going to be right on this page. So everything is right here, and then you can click on the piece that you want. And from here, so this is a wedding save the date. From here, you can select your quantity, your print method, and then your paperweight, single ply or double thick. And then you can also select whether or not you want to add guest and return address printing to your envelopes. And the pricing, as you'll see, is going to update right at the top of your listing, directly under the title of the item. So, and when you click Add to Cart, here is where you can personalize your save the date. So you're going to put your email address in here, your paper color. You can choose your ink color here, your envelope color as well. And then you add all of your personalization details, and then you can add it to your cart. So now that we've explored the shop by collection page, you can also explore each item by type. So wedding save the date cards you'll find on one page. And this is the save the dates from all of our collections. It's just save the dates only. So you can explore all of those here. You can also shop all of our wedding invitations on one page. And you'll do the same thing that you were going to do on the other page is you just click the item that you want and you click the number of invitations and response cards that you need. You select your printing type, paperweight, guest and return address printing, etc. And then you add it to your cart. And don't forget, the price also populates again under the title of the item that you're looking at. Now you can also shop, I'm going to skip down a little bit so that we can go in order, but you can shop your invitation embellishments. So for example, if you found an invitation that you like and you want to dress it up with a vellum wrap and wax seal, this is the page that you're going to find it. You're also going to find your envelope liners on this page, wax seals, extra envelopes, and as well as adding double envelopes. If you want to send inner and outer envelopes for your wedding invitations, that's where you're going to find that. Now let's head on over to the details card page, because I know many of my clients usually get a wedding details card, they'll get an accommodations card and a reception card. So if you're ordering two different accommodations cards, what you're going to do is you're going to select your quantity, your printing type, and your paperweight, and then the pricing will update here, and then you're going to add it to your cart. Now, when you need to add another details card, you're going to go through the same process. You select your quantity, paper type, printing type, and you add it to your cart. You'll fill out the details just like that. So that's how you add more than one detail card. Okay, the next thing, I'm going to skip down again. We'll come back to the return address stamps later. But the next thing that you'll see is wedding day stationery. And this is where you can shop all of our wedding day stationery. This is perfect if you've already gotten your invitations and maybe you want to just order all of your day of paper goods from Betty Lou Papery. You'll find it on this page here. So you can scroll through and look at all the options. Every option is going to be on this page, or you can sort it by type. You can click on wedding menu cards and just the wedding menus will show up below there. And so you can shop all of our wedding menus. And next, you can order your invitation sample kit. You just click that link through there, and then you click the button to go to this page, and you can add it to your cart. Now, I do request a couple of details just so I can get to know a little bit more about you on here. But things like your wedding date, what kind of paper you're more interested in, either white or ivory, your desired print method. You can also put which invitation collection you're most interested here. And I will put a digitally printed sample of that invitation in with your sample kit, or a letterpress or foil sample if I have those in stock. But you'll get a letterpress or foil sample regardless. And then if there's any other collections that you want to see a sample of, I can put that in. And then additional comments, you can let me know like your wedding colors or, what ink color you might be most interested in. And if I have a sample or an envelope color or swatch or anything that I can send you, I'll add that to your sample kit. Okay, and lastly, you can shop return address stamps as well through the website. So you can click on that link and then you can shop all of our available return address stamps here. So hopefully this tour has been very helpful for you guys. If you have any questions at all, you can always send me an email, Valerie@BettyLouPapery.com, and that's Valerie. Thank you guys so much, and I look forward to working with you. Bye.